Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because we're going to be unboxing my brand new camera. I have been trying to buy this camera for the past like month or so. I don't even know how long it's been. I've been trying to buy it and it's just been out of stock at the place that I want to buy it from. I think they've just been having trouble with stock because of Corona and everything. But the other day I happened to check the website and they had one in stock. So I literally bought it right there and then. It was kind of spontaneous, not gonna lie, but also not because I'd been planning on buying the camera for ages. I know this camera is kind of like the basic one, like the basic first camera that everyone buys when they start YouTube. But I mean, I think it's probably a good camera to start off with because you know it's going to be good quality, you know it's a good starting camera and it's good for this kind of thing. So that's why I decided to get it. Wait, have I even said what camera I've got? I got the Canon G7X Mark II. I was originally going to get the Mark III, but then I did some more research into it and I found that it's really bad at focusing and a load of other things that made me decide to get the Mark II instead. I was just surprised that the older camera ended up being the better option, but I mean, I'm not complaining because it was cheaper. I decided to get it from John Lewis. It was in like a bundle and it came with a couple of accessories. So I'm going to be unboxing my camera, those accessories, and a few other accessories which I bought from elsewhere. So this is going to be the last video that I'm filming on my phone. I started off filming on my iPhone 8 when I first started YouTube, but that was only for my first few videos. Since then I've been using my iPhone 11 and now we're upgrading to a Canon G7X Mark II and I'm so excited. So with that long intro out of the way, I'm going to get straight into unboxing the camera. So here is the box. As I said, I got it from John Lewis. They had like a good bundle on it and I'll show you what it comes with in a second. I've never done an unboxing video before and I don't think I've ever even watched one, so I don't really know if there's anything specific you're supposed to do. I'm just gonna unbox this and maybe don't do what I'm doing with these scissors. Probably not safe, but there you go. Oh, and just so you know, these boxes have all been disinfected and I'll disinfect the camera box and like the accessories and everything before I start dealing with them and also wash my hands. Corona is an absolute pain. It ruins all the excitement with everything, but we've got to be careful, so I am cleaning and disinfecting everything. Quick disclaimer over. Let's open this up. Okay. Whoa, almost dropped it. That would not be good. Oh my god, it's such a nice little box. Okay, so this is the camera. I'm gonna drop the box, but yeah, this is what the box looks like. Just shows you what it's got inside on the front. Okay, so I've just gone away and disinfected the box, so I'm now gonna go ahead and open it up. So this is the bundle that comes with the Canon G7X Mark II, obviously, a camera case, and a 16GB memory card, and this was just the best deal that I could find anywhere. So I'm just gonna open this up now. I literally cannot get it. There we go. So this is what the box looks like inside. It's just got the case on the top and then here is the camera. I'm literally so excited to have this. It feels crazy that I've got this now because I've been waiting for this for so long just to come into stock. So this is exciting. So you've just got like manuals and instructions and stuff when you open up the box. And then here is the memory card. It's a SanDisk 16GB one. And then there's just more cardboard, charging cable, and the camera in this little like plastic tub. So down here, there's just the wrist strap. This is the battery charger. And then this is the battery. So here is the camera. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is put the wrist strap on it because I just don't want to drop it. Okay, there we go. I just put the wrist strap on. I literally have the instructions right here and I'm just like not reading them. I really should. Getting started. Okay, so it's just the little information thing. I love how like tiny and light this camera is. That's like the first thing I'm noticing just holding it. I can just tell how easy it's going to be to just carry around and use whenever. It's not going to like weigh me down. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the battery in. So I have the battery here. It would be really helpful if I was filming this at a table so I could like put everything in front of me rather than balancing it on my knee. Oh, you have to charge it first. Right, I'll be back in a few hours, maybe, however long it takes to charge this camera. Okay, change of plan. I figured that while we're waiting for my camera battery to charge, we could open up the other two parcels that I have and just look at the accessories that I bought. So I think I'm gonna open this one first. This is also from John Lewis and of course I will clean it before I actually do anything with it. So this is all it is. It's a USB-C to SD card reader. I really needed this because I have a MacBook Pro and so the slot is a USB-C and I'm gonna need to be able to put my SD card into my laptop so that I can import my clips to edit. These are so overpriced, it's ridiculous, but I wanted to make sure that I got the Apple one because I know it will be the best quality. I know my sister bought something similar to this that wasn't an Apple one and she was really disappointed with it and ended up getting the Apple one anyway. So I figured although it may be cheaper for me to get a non-Apple one, it might just break anyway and then I'd have to buy two and it would just be costs that I don't need. So I thought I would just go straight for the Apple one and save a bit of money there, even though it's more expensive initially. So I'm just going to open this up and show you what it looks like inside. There it is. It's literally just a simple cable. This is the USB-C end and then this is for the SD card. So there we go. That's literally all that is. But when you buy a camera, there are just a load of accessories that you don't really think about but you need, and it's just like added costs on top of it, and it's really annoying because the camera is really expensive on its own, but you kind of need the accessories in order to be able to use the camera. So yeah, I got this. Next I'm going to open up this Amazon parcel. Oh, it's got a rip tab. And of course I'm going to clean it first. So the first thing that I got from Amazon is just this SD card. This is just the SanDisk Extreme Pro 64GB UHS 1 memory card. I honestly do not know my stuff when it comes to cameras, but my sister helped me a little bit and this one looked like it would be good. It was actually a really good price on Amazon as well, so this was the best value. So yeah, I have this memory card and I have the one that came with the camera, which is just a SanDisk Edge 16GB memory card. So basically I think the difference between these two, obviously other than the storage, is that this one will be slower from taking the photo to it like processing on the camera. I don't know, I really just don't know my camera stuff. I'm trying to learn, but it's gonna take some time. Then the other thing I bought, which I'm a little bit confused about, looks like this. This is supposed to be a 2-pack of screen protectors for my camera. It was like the Amazon's Choice one or like the bestseller or something, so I thought it would be a good choice, and it had good reviews as well. But it's come in a little wooden box which is already broken, like it's just fully broken. These are the brand Afunta. Oh my god, it's literally just look at that. I don't know if you can see, but that is just completely smashed. I mean, I know it's supposed to open, but it's just completely smashed all around the edges. That is not good, but I mean, I'm sure the screen protectors will still work fine. So yeah, you just get a 2-pack and you get like dust absorbers, instructions, I hope. Yeah, you get instructions as well, and then like the wipes and stuff. So hopefully those will be good. I will get my mum to help me with that because I don't trust myself, and she always does like my phone screen protectors. I can't do it, it's too much pressure. And then the other thing I ordered from Amazon, which I actually ordered today, so it won't come until tomorrow because I have a free trial of Amazon Prime. I literally got the free trial of Amazon Prime at the perfect time for me to order all of this camera stuff. This other Amazon order is coming tomorrow, and I basically just bought a camera strap. I'll put up on screen the one that I've bought. I just thought I should get a camera strap so that if I'm vlogging out and about, like on day trips and stuff, it will just make it a lot easier for me to film rather than having my wrist strap or like my handheld tripod, and I can just use my camera strap and hold it like this, and it would be a lot easier and it will be safer because I won't drop it. So yeah, I'm really glad I decided to get that. I just forgot to order it in the order before, so that's why it's coming tomorrow and I can't show you actually in person. I'll also just quickly look at the case. I know a lot of the reviews were saying that it's not very good because this part of the case isn't actually sewn to the main part of the case, it's actually just like glued. So people were saying it just breaks really quickly, but hopefully I'll be able to keep good care of it and it won't break. Okay, let's have a look. So it just has 2 like magnetic poppers, and then there's this like strap that comes out, neck strap, which is really good because it will be easy for me to carry when I'm out and about. I feel like a proper like camera person when I'm wearing this. So yeah, I think that's everything that I can show you right now while my camera's charging, and hopefully it won't take too long to charge because I really want to try it out. And then once it is charged, I will come back and I'll show you my first impressions of the camera. So yeah, I will see you in a little bit. Hi guys, it's a few hours later now and my camera battery has fully charged, finally, and I'm just going to try it out now, do a little first impressions for you. So let me just get my battery out of the pack. I've got it charging just like over here. So here's the battery, it's fully charged now. I'm just going to open the bottom and put it in. I think you put it in this way, but I'm just going to read just to check. So I've just put the battery into the little battery slot, and so now I think I'm just going to use the memory card that came with the camera and put this in as well. Just need to put it into the same slot, I think. Okay, so that just slots in like that. So now the memory card's in as well, and now I'm really excited because this means I can actually turn it on. Now I'm just going to set the camera up really quickly. I'm going to turn it on. Oh my gosh, how exciting. Okay, set the date and time. Okay, so the date and time is now set up. Now I think that is everything. So I thought I would do a quick little quality comparison for you. I thought it would be useful for you to see how the quality compares on my phone and on the new camera. So right now I'm filming on my iPhone 11 and now I'm filming on the G7X. This is my first time using this camera, so I'm obviously still getting used to it, and if I look up at the viewfinder then I'm sorry, it's really hard. But yeah, I'm hoping you can notice a quality difference. So this is a clip that I filmed on my phone through a window, which is why you can see the reflection. It's kind of like a wishy-washy colour. It's not that crisp. And then this is basically the same thing but filmed on the Canon G7X, also through a window. There's a lot less reflection and it just looks so much crisper and much better quality. But yeah, that is my new camera all unboxed. I'm so excited to finally have it and get to use it, and I'm so happy that the quality of my videos is going to be so much better now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love you to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And yeah, I think that is pretty much everything, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.